Hello, welcome to the Brix Digital Dining Training video number 7, Modifiers. In this video, we'll be discussing what a modifier is and how to effectively use one. A modifier is required anytime that you need to make an addition, deletion, or change to the preparation or plating of an item. Modifiers are a very important part of your ability to make each guest feel welcomed and cared for while here. When repeating an order to your guest, you should include the modification as part of your confirmation to them to reassure them that you have it and you understand its importance. Some modifications will be due to food preferences, likes and dislikes. Some will be dietary preferences, low fat or no salt, but many will be due to allergies or health concerns. All of these reasons carry an equal weight in their importance. Let's discuss the type of modifiers within DD. In digital dining, there will be what we refer to as force modifiers. These are modifications to an item that are required and the system will prompt you for them, such as the temperature of a meat, quantity, seat or person number, or to specify a preferred spirit. As you see here, when we choose the Brix burger, we are automatically force modified to a temperature for the meat. The second kind of modifier is a passive modifier, and these can be anything from omitting of an item or ingredient, an allergy, or a specific plating option. These types of modifications are trickier than a forced modifier in that you must input them manually. It's imperative to the flow of the kitchen that the modifications are as clear as possible. It helps to imagine the order itself as a conversation between you and the expediter, but in shorthand form. Effective modifying skills can save you valuable time and steps, in addition to helping the kitchen flow smoothly. Modifications should be entered in the order to make the communication clear and uniformed in the following order. First, allergy alerts should be marked as a priority. Second, modifications should be entered using the no or remove omit item, followed by substitute item, then add item. Third, specific plating request, such as split or share. Fourth, the seat position or person number. This will indicate to the expediter that all modifications for the sum have been completed and the above modifications belong to that person. This is important when multiple quantities are ordered. With the Petroli Sole, there is no forced modification. However, this guest has indicated that they have an allergy. Their allergy is for nuts. They also would like to hold the polenta and substitute that with potato puree. So as you can see in the example, we have indicated first that this guest has a nut allergy, that they do not want the polenta, they would like to substitute that with the potato puree, and that guest is sitting at position 2. When entering an item into DD, after you mark the quantity of the item you are ordering, you will be directed to a force modifier for the person number or position screen. Since the position screen is the indicator to the expediter that all modifications have been entered, you'll need to choose the main mods button from this screen to begin entering any request. Main mods. Once you've chosen the main mods, you'll be taken to the main screen for modifications. On this screen, you'll see the first column is a list of function words: regular, no, add, extra, sub, on the side, only, crispy, and light. Once you activate one of these function words, you'll be taken to an ingredients list so that you can choose which item you need. The ingredients are listed in alphabetical order, with dressings and vinaigrette being grouped together using the word dressing or vinaigrette as the key. You can see here, dressing blue cheese, dressing Caesar, dressing goddess. The third column is reserved for our allergies. If a guest indicates they have an allergy, you must mark each of the items they order with the allergy as the first modification. Even if the item does not contain the allergy, the kitchen needs to know to avoid cross-contamination. If their specific allergy is not listed, mark it with allergy and then have a verbal discussion with the food expediter or enter it in as an open modification. In the second column, you'll see shortcut commands for plating requests. split, share, one plate, dressing on the side, and sauce on the side. The last column lists shortcuts for the temp screen and add-on screen, and quick access buttons for in a hurry or hold fire and to go. If a guest indicates to you that they would like to take their time and enjoy a romantic or slow meal, this modifier is located on the entree page of both the lunch and dinner. Once you mark a course slow dine, the kitchen will not begin an order until you verbally fire the course, no matter how long it has been since the last course went out. The temp screen is a force modifier on most protein items and is linked to the add-on screen. The add-on screen may not be needed with all entrees, and to exit the screen, choose the two-person and complete your order as normal. The last option, since it will be the last entry to an item, is a quick access button for the two-person screen. Once you enter in your position number for that item, you've completed all your modifications for that entry. This concludes the video for Brix Digital Dining number 7, Modifiers.